I'm just the pen. The wairua of the man is actually the ink that's on the pages. It's a beautiful kaupapa. It was a privilege for me to be a part of. Papa Anuri Tāmihana served for 19 years. He served Te Ariki Nui, he served Kingi Tūheitia, and his son is now serving our Queen. So 166 years this whānau have served the kingitanga. My role with the kingitanga comes from the crowning of the first Māori King. The man officiating on the occasion was deemed the kingmaker or kaipakawahi kingi. My tupuna, Wirimi Tāmihana, was the first kingmaker. It's a great honour to preserve that narrative and to share it with not just the descendants, Ngā Uri or Ngāti Haua, but with the motu. Yes, it's beautiful to receive this taonga, but it's actually even more beautiful to know that this taonga and the pūtea that's a part of this award is going to go on to print more pukapuka, which is going to serve Ngāti Haua, the tumuakitanga, the kingitanga, and the legacy of Papa Anuri Tāmihana in its fullness. And so that's why I'm happy to receive this award. The most powerful part of the pukapuka, I believe, is where Papa Anuri Tāmihana says it is the kingitanga that is going to keep te ao Māori together. And we saw it with the passing of our king, Kingi Tūheitia. We're seeing it with our queen, Ngā Waihonoi Te Pō. We are seeing the unification of te ao Māori just as he prophesied. And so this pukapuka, this taonga, preserves that prophecy, and we're seeing it come to pass now.